the release of a brand new model, the Nike Air Liquid Max, scheduled for March 26, 2026, Nike is getting ready to commemorate Air Max Day once more. Nike has used Air Max Day to showcase its long-standing innovation in air cushioning since the occasion started in 2014, frequently launching new models that further the technology. Dynamic air systems have been the highlight of recent releases like the Nike Air Max DN and Nike Air Max DN8, and the Liquid Max carries on that heritage in a novel way. The Poison Dart Frog in particular serves as an influence for the next design. The shoe's distinctive air cushioning design and layered upper are the most obvious examples of its influence. The sneaker's 3 layers of textured nanoprint fabrication give the upper a striking, nearly amphibian-like look that reflects the frog-inspired idea. The Liquid Max has a flexible, low-profile air unit that is made to follow the natural curves of the foot, as well as a newly created cushioning platform that simulates the feeling of walking on air. The design employs a point-loaded technique rather than dispersing cushioning uniformly throughout the sole. In order to help minimize unnecessary weight while preserving comfort, targeted air zones are only positioned where support is required. About 24 of these distinct air zones may be seen in pictures of the outsole. Together, they produce a ride that is both lightweight and supportive, reflecting decades of air technology research.